Heads up, everyone. I'm here. Okay, so you don't need to see my face long. And if you're wondering why I'm called Michael Lover, because it used to be my dad's phone, but now it's mine. I never got rid of it. So, moving on. You don't need to see my face anymore. Show you. These Pop Rocks, I hate them. They hurt my tongue. I put a whole chunk, and they stung. This bag doesn't do. So I'm gonna pour water inside of it because you know how saliva makes them pop. So I'm gonna put this down. Now I'm gonna show you why I make this thing fun. You're just gonna hear it, not anymore. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh. So they won't stop popping. Gonna pour a little out. Did they ever go away? Look, I turned out the water yellow. Ooh, smack! Oh, I'm smashing them in there. They're mostly gone. Put that down so I can open the package. Doesn't look like they're coming back. Ugh. Look out for more challenges by Ryan Lover. Look at that. It's where they belong. So see ya. I gotta get these in candy. I'm gonna have more challenges, so see ya.